You are going to love the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.